This will be one of the first videos in a long series that I'll be doing here on YouTube to show how you can grow a YouTube channel using Fractal Video Shufflr. So just starting off, you open up the Video Shufflr, and I am on the Diamond plan, so that's the highest plan that you can be on. If you look over here in the top right, you can see this is where I have the channel that I'm going to try to grow. I'm currently at 50 subscribers, 1100 views. So I'll use this to also manage my stats. You can see right now I have a trust score of an F, and so there's a lot of analytic there's a lot of analytic back end here that we're doing, and excuse me, it's early here, but yeah, there's a lot of back end that we're doing to calculate this trust score, as well as offer you more analytics so that you can grow your channel. And we'll be updating this over time as we continue to refine our strategy and learn from all in the space, because we're open and YouTube is all about sharing, and this tool is going to allow for creators to continue to share and grow together. So yeah, here's the my channels. If you can click the view breakdown, you'll see why I have an F here. I don't upload nearly enough. I don't have a cadence. Yeah, but my retention looks good, and yeah, so we'll just continue to work on this channel live. And yeah, so just for today, I've already imported some ideas. So if you click video editing here on the left, I've already imported some ideas into the idea planner. And so I did some ideation, and I was able to generate a few ideas for this channel that I called Off Balance. And so we'll just, this is one of the videos that I had put together. And so, yeah, you can see that I have some information in here already built for it. And so you can click create with AI, and or you can click it here, right here, and it'll open up the video creator. And so the video creator, if you don't know what it is, you can definitely look at all of the videos. There's over 50 videos on the channel going over it. Or over the tool itself, not just the video creator, but you'll learn a little bit here. But yeah, I clicked create with AI, and so I had already set up the configuration that I wanted for it, and I clicked back just to show you what I'm doing here. So this is a history channel style video, and so if you click on the look tab here, you can see that you can pick a style for the video. The AI video editor, his name is Helos. He'll make the video depending on what type of style you want to use. So soon you'll be able to add your own custom styles here, but these are all the default presets. And so for this channel, we're going to be growing. It'll be a history channel, so we'll always be doing that. We'll click that every time. And so we can see that Helos's team, you can see what his team is composed of and what they'll be doing when making this video. And so for the topic, of course, we already had that inserted automatically from our idea planner. And then this would just be some extra settings that you could add on if you wanted to update how Helos is going to source that footage. So if you click next, you'll see that you can click a word count. And so for this series, I'm probably going to stick to around 3 to 4 minute videos, just so the behind the scenes isn't that long. So we'll do like a 600 word video here with Callum. There are plenty of voices you can pick from, and you can also play to preview them. And so yeah, it's going to automatically click what skills that it does. And so the B-roll is going to automatically be selected, but if you wanted to add some custom skills, of course you can configure them by scrolling to the right here, and then you can pick whatever skill that you want. And so the preset automatically picks these first few. One that I do like to turn on that isn't on by default is the dynamic zoom. So any images they'll have a dynamic zoom added to them. So I like that in. And yeah, and so these skills they'll continue to be more skills added over time, and these skills will improve as well as we continue to improve on our own video editing skills. So yeah, After that, just click create video, and the Helos will take his team and they'll just get to work. You'll see the status here and also how long it's been taking. For a 4-minute video, he will probably take around 10 to 20 minutes. So somewhere around there, depending on depending on how fast your internet is. And so, yeah, we'll just wait. I might speed it up, but I won't do too much talking here. The main thing is, yeah, I mean, though you saw the agent and the skills, they'll do everything that it was outlining there. And at the end, it'll build a timeline for you. And from there, you can add your personal adjustments, because that's the most important part. You can add any color grade. You can change it to a black and white video if you want. You can add text. You can add transitions and other things. And then, of course, if you configure the skill to automatically add those in, they'll already be in there. You can adjust to what transition it's using, and things like that. And so the video editor works kind of similar to Canva. So if you've ever used canva.com, it works very similar to that. And also CapCut. So if you use CapCut, you could easily use this tool. Very simple video editor. So yeah, we'll wait and let Helos and his team get to work. So at about 13 minutes, Looks like it's Helos's final agent is getting the timeline prepared. You can kind of see it happening in the background there. And so, yeah, I mean, it did the entire production pipeline. And at the end, you can come in and do your review. And so at this point, I do want to mention some of the other videos on our channel. We have some videos on why I built this tool. We have videos on how you can grow yourself on YouTube, and why you would want to even grow on YouTube with something like this. In short, kind of summarizing those 3 videos, having something like this will allow for you to get whatever it is that's in your head out into the world. And so this isn't just going to be a tool that, this isn't just going to be a tool that allows you to build videos quickly. The main goal is to allow for it to be a tool that will allow for you to get exactly what it is that is in your head out into the world, and do that every single day, while you also have other stuff going on, because like YouTube it shouldn't be your whole life, and you shouldn't have to spend all of your money getting videos made. You shouldn't have to spend all of your time making videos, and you shouldn't have to put your face on video. So having something like this is just going to allow for, it's just going to allow for a lot more expression to be able to be put out into the world without any limits. And that's kind of my view and take on AI, and why I think AI will be helpful, because just being able to be more creative is one of the best things that AI is going to allow for us to do. And so, just being able to plan out all of your ideas, plan out exactly what you want to create, and then just have it automatically be created is going to be a really big, it's going to change everything. It really will. This is the video. You can see it on the timeline here. You can go through and edit it how you want. Of course, you can add different color grading to it, and change how it looks at different sections. Just play around with the different options that you have here to edit the video once it's created, and drag anything around, rearrange, duplicate, copy, everything that you need to do to make the video yours. And from there, you can also see that it auto-generated the title. From there, you make sure you want to save the project, so that you can open it if you didn't like the output and change what you need. But otherwise, just go to export, and again, it already saved the name for us. So you just click save, and it will export the video. And so that's how you use it. That's how you create production grade videos very, very easily. I think it's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll put the video right after this. If you like this video, please leave a like. It really helps boost the algorithm. It'll help people be able to find the tool, and it'll allow for me to be able to update the tool faster, quicker, and get the right things added to it that you guys want. Make sure to check out the Discord link. It's on the website, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.
Michael Bloomberg turned a humble data terminal into a $100 billion financial empire, and permanently changed how information moves. How did a man with a modest start become a titan of industry and politics? The early 1980s saw Bloomberg's trailblazing data terminals begin to reshape financial markets. In 1981, Bloomberg launched his company, which would soon revolutionize financial data. Bloomberg's bold approach reshaped the financial world, putting data within reach for everyone. Bloomberg's innovative streak drove him to build a new financial data platform, and it transformed the industry. Bloomberg's innovative approach transformed the financial industry, setting new standards for data access. As Bloomberg's platform gained traction, it quickly became the go-to tool for traders and analysts. As Bloomberg's platform caught on, it pulled in clients across the spectrum, from small startups to major financial institutions. After real-time data analytics went live, Bloomberg's platform became the go-to resource for traders and investors. As Bloomberg's platform picked up steam, it drew in a diverse mix of clients from across the globe. As Bloomberg's platform picked up steam, it drew attention from major financial institutions, eager to sharpen their operations. As Bloomberg's platform caught on, it drew a loyal following of finance professionals. Bloomberg's innovative tools didn't take long. They became essential for decision-making in the fast-paced world of finance. With its growing influence, Bloomberg began to expand its services beyond just data analytics. As Bloomberg's clout grew, it inked partnerships with key financial firms, a move that cemented its spot in the market. As the platform's reputation grew, investment firms had to sharpen their edge to stay competitive. As its reputation grew, Bloomberg began widening its services to keep up with rising demand. With a growing reputation, Bloomberg began to expand its offerings beyond just data analytics. Bloomberg rolled out new tools for risk management and trading, bolstering the platform's capabilities. Bloomberg quickly saw the need for all-in-one tools, built to serve a broader swath of financial services. As Bloomberg branched out, it rolled out inventive tools, ones that reshaped financial analysis. Bloomberg rolled out innovative tools, trading platforms, and risk management solutions to pull in more clients. Bloomberg started folding in advanced trading tools, aimed squarely at improving the user experience. Bloomberg then introduced innovative tools that transformed how financial professionals accessed and analyzed data. Those advances, taken together, cemented Bloomberg's reputation as a leader in financial technology. Those advancements cemented Bloomberg's reputation as a fintech leader. With these advancements, Bloomberg solidified its position as a leader in financial technology. As Bloomberg kept pushing new ideas, it zeroed in on creating a seamless user interface for its platforms. Bloomberg's commitment to innovation didn't let up. They launched real-time data analytics tools. Bloomberg's commitment to innovation produced interfaces people could actually use, tools that make complex data simple. With these advancements, Bloomberg began to attract a wider audience of financial professionals. That change meant Bloomberg started attracting a wider range of clients, smaller firms included. As Bloomberg honed its tools, they started weaving in artificial intelligence for predictive analytics. So Bloomberg attracted a wider range of clients, people who valued these enhancements. So Bloomberg drew a growing number of clients, eager to put these advancements to work. That, in turn, drew a wider audience of financial professionals and institutions. That surge in interest pushed Bloomberg to expand its offerings to serve a wide range of financial needs. This surge in clientele prompted Bloomberg to expand its offerings even further. That rush of new clients pushed Bloomberg to broaden its services even more. As interest kept building, Bloomberg broadened its lineup even more. Year after year, Bloomberg's reputation kept climbing, and doors opened. Partnerships with major financial firms followed. As interest swelled, Bloomberg's market presence and its influence surged. As Bloomberg's influence grew, it drew top talent from across the industry. As Bloomberg's clout grew, global media and tech companies took notice. As Bloomberg solidified its position, it began to attract a wider range of clients. As Bloomberg's influence grew, it began to attract attention from global markets and investors. As Bloomberg solidified its position, it began to dominate the financial data landscape. Looking back at Bloomberg's incredible journey, Remember this: success often starts with a single idea. If you found this story inspiring, subscribe for more insights into transformative business tales.